3. They estimate that this in vitro meat could be produced for about $5,037 per ton, which is about twice the cost of unsubsidized conventional European chicken production, which is still about twice the cost of unsubsidized conventional European chicken production. Kitchen meat incubators. Kitchen meat incubators may allow homemakers to synthesize their own meat products at home. Yay! Fun with the kids! Thus bringing a permanent end to meat markets and butchers. Ew, good. A set of pre-programmed options allows people to control the size, shape, and texture of the meat that they produce at home without the need to kill animals. And through the use of animal DNA, cheap models simply do the growing of the meat, while top-end models would allow users to share in vitro meat recipes to each other through the internet. So grow your own lab meat at home. You too can have your own freshly made in vitro meat. And that's about it. Well, that was very informative. So again, Wikipedia, you know, they're not, they just stay very subjective. They stay very impartial. But again, there's a lot of good information on here that I found out that I did not know. $1 million to produce 250 grams of this stuff, and they're planning on people being able to grow their own in vitro meat at home. So, yeah, you see the measures that are being taken to avoid the future, avoid the what's lying on the horizon in terms of continuing animal agriculture. Major steps are being taken, major efforts are being put in motion to avoid the future, to try to go on a different path than what we're going on. So meat is just a problem. Look at all these crazy ideas, crazy experiments, money, tons of money, all being thrown at how to create a sustainable way to eat animals. So the more factory farms on the planet, the worse off the planet will be. The more plant farms on the planet, the better off the planet will be. And I'm not talking about Monsanto farms, of course. I'm talking about natural, healthy farms. So start eating plant-based today. Start contributing to a healthy planet today. And if you want to really do the best thing for yourself and the planet, grow your own food. Shop from local organic farmers. Alright? And just start keeping all this stuff in the foreground and think about it and apply it to your life. It's pretty serious stuff.